How to use Vlookup in Excel. We want to find out sales amount for this product categories, and we have a table which has sales amount for all the product categories, and we want to find out sales amount for these specific product categories. So we'll enter the formula is equal to Vlookup. In our case, the lookup value is product category, comma, table array is C1 to D11. We'll just select that and we'll press F4 to freeze the column and rows, comma, the calling index number is the sales amount and this table. So it's in the second position. We'll enter 2 and we want the exact value. So we'll put 0 and we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We just drag this formula down to the end. So we have the sales amount for these product categories here that you can see.